guys, we're gonna do a new DIY project about a wireless alarm, water alarm. I have this kind of wireless window or door alarm that I'm gonna convert to water level alarm. We need this kind of window alarm, or should be wireless, and then just one switch for water level alarm. You can use different kind of sensor, but I'm gonna use for my project for my sub pump, and I'm gonna use this sensor. It's a water level sensor. Okay. Okay guys, this is the basic board of window sensor. This brand is the cheapest alarm that I buy in Amazon. It costs maybe like $60 or less, depend how many sensor you have. And I got this one window sensor or door sensor, and I open it up, and this is the switch. It's a magnetic switch. When you open your door or you open your window, the magnetic will open or close this sensor, and it trigger your alarm. We'll just need to take this out and change with different kind of sensor. It depends what sensors you want to put it. I'm gonna use these sensors for my sub pump. Then I need a water level alarm or water level sensor. Then we're just gonna do is connect these two, take this out, connect the wire over here, and then that's it. It's a DIY wireless sensors already. Okay, we'll do it. Okay guys, I just took this out, this kind of sensor, and I just connect my two wires of the new sensor, water level sensor, and now it's and that's it. We're just gonna test it. Then finish setup. This regular one, just add the sensor. Alarm. See, I received the notifications that my water alarm is alarming. See, I have notifications to alarm. I trigger alarm again. I have another one. I'll trigger again. See, I have 3 alarms. Hi guys, it's already connected to my sub pump. I just put it under the pump, and this is the level, and I'm just gonna go up when it has water, and that's it. DIY.